Pango iri gutafanagio guku Nairobi kuririkana muthenya wa Sabasaba hamwe na gucakaya andu aria makuite kurumirira mirurungano ya mbeũ njithi kuregana na witangi wa kigina kia muingi na mwathanire muru wa thirikari. Ugitiri uma mugacirithie na njira nene guku Nairobi, maabitha a borithi makihura miriungo barabara-ini itiganite. Barabara ya guthie bunge ni imwe ya iria ikuhingitwo iri ta njira ya kugitira na kugacirithia ugitiri mwena ucio niguo kugitira mbeũ njithi matikage kuingira bunge toria mekire ciumia igiri hituku. Mwandiki witu Wambui wa Njuguna ni uratwambiriria na riboti ino.
Ugitiri munene ni ugacirithirio barabara-ini itiganite gatagati ka mucii wa Nairobi riri kuma na maundu matiganite megutabanagio niguo kuririkana muthi wa Sabasaba na oho gucakaya andu aria makuite mirurungano-ini ya mbeũ njithi iria ikoretwo igithie na mbere. Ona gutuika mihango ya o muthenya ni ironeka guthie na mbere o ta mutugo, maabitha a borithi mauma cemba kung'ethanira na mundu wothe ungicungireirie guthararia thayo wa muingi. Barabara nene ya Uhuru Highway, Moi Avenue na barabara ya kuingira Thingira wa Iregi o undu umwe na barabara ya kuingira kiharo-ini gia Kamukunji ni imwe cia iria ugitiri ukugacirithitio na njira nene, guku nayo barabara ya kuingira bunge ya gĩbũrũri ikihingwo. Ugitiri uyu ugacirithitio riri gugutanyagwo gukorwo na mirurungano ya gutetia thirikari, ona gutuika mathaini ma miaraho gutiuma na dalili o ciothe cia mirurungano. Ona kuri uguo namba nene ya ahuri biacara barabara-ini ya Tom Mboya undu umwe na Accra Road ni matwarithirie biacara ciao na mbere matari na wagagu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.
Tulio maundu-ini megemaine na macio ni ati a Kenya 41 aria marerikana gukorwo makuire kumana na mirurungano ya kuregana na mendekithia mawatho wa kigina na witangi wa indo cia muingi. Riu ni makunguirwo na njira ya mwanya magitugwo ta njamba itetikirire kuguoyohio nginya ni rithathi. Mambura-ini maria matabanirio kiharo-ini kia Uhuru Park, mbeũ njithi makiria ya rika ria Gen Z ni monanitie ucamba magikurira thirikari maitho kumana na wanangi wa indo cia muingi, na riu makihita gukorwo nimekorwo makinyita itemi guthie na mbere ithurano-ini niguo gutigirira atongoria aria macagurwo ni aria mari na wigiriki na aria marithikagiriria Wanjiku. Mwandiki witu Bataru wa Mwangi niwe tuhaririirie riboti ino.
Ni kiharo-ini kia Uhuru Park guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, uria Kenya makiria mbeũ njithi mekinyitie na uingi magikinyia kuririkana Kenya aria makwiririe mirurungano-ini ya kuregana na mendekithia mawatho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2024. Maritwa maria makuire mathomwo rimwe thutha wa riria ringi, ha maritwa 41 magithomwo nayo mitharaba 41 ikiarwo kurugamirira o Mukenya wateire muoyo wake. Aini matiganite guku bũrũri-inĩ magikinyia gucanjamũra muingi na gucakaya aria makuire na kugurara. Haha thirikari yarutirwo ritana ria kurumbuia aria magurarire mirurungano-ini ino kuona namba nene irio mathibitari-ini ona riu.
Wao ni mashujaa kwa sababu walikufa katika hali ya kupigania venye nchi ilikuwa na kupigania haki yao, kwa maana katika constitution yetu tunasema it's allowed to demonstrate because of something ambayo haijafurahisha, kwa maana nchi imeshikiliwa na sisi wananchi.
Ile generation ambayo ilipita walikuwa na heroes yao kama Kennedy Matipa, hiyo ni heroes yao. Kama sisi wa kizazi cha sasa hii, those are our heroes ambao waliuawa siku ya maandamano, peaceful modification ambao waliuawa kwa maandamano. Those are our heroes, walikufa wakikomboa nchi yetu ya Kenya.
Kiangalia kwa saizi wabunge wamekuwa on toss, hata wameanza kuogopa.
Gikaro giki kiahuthika kuonania ucamba wa mbeũ njithi hari gukurira thirikari maitho, riu magikũrana ati mirurungano ino ni yambiririe guciara matunda.
Mambo hajabadilishwa, mambo bado ndio inakuja. Hii ni mwanzo, hii ni kionzo. Na tunaambia Rais Ruto, mambo bado, tunakuja bado. lazima afanye vile vitu ambavyo tunataka.
Bado tujemchuna, bado tunataka tutumchune mahali penye atakuwa akikaa, anasikia hiyo uchungu, anasema kweli niko na watu.
Ruto is coming up with presidential task forces. I don't know what to do what. Like the other day he came up with a task force to audit the national debt. Yet we have the Auditor General's office.
I don't see whether the government will deliver. So the right thing is that our motto is that Ruto must go.
Ona thegi ya President William Ruto guteaniria mutaratara wa watho wa kigina ta uria mirurungano ino yendekithagia. Ona gutuika rika ria Gen Z rikoretwo rikiorotwo ni kwagaga guthurana na guikaraga ihogo ihinda-ini ria githurano. Riu rika riri rikoneka gucenjia murugamo rikihariria gukorwo muhari-ini wa mbere ona hari matua ma kumba thirikari.
Tusipige hivi kelele alafu mwisho tutoke bure. Kitu ambacho inafaa wafanye kwa saizi ni kuchukua vitambulisho kwa wingi. Wakati wa kukata kura wachukue kura kwa wingi, hawa jamaa tuwapeleke nyumbani, kwa sababu itakuwa ni kazi bure. Turushe mawe, tupige kelele, tuseme Ruto must go, alafu mwisho wa siku 2027 baada hawa jamaa warudi. Kwa sababu gani? Sisi hatuna kura, hatuna vitambulisho.
Gikoro kia muthenya wa umuthi gikihuthika kuririkana mbeu njithi aria makuire hindi ya mirurungano ya gutetia thirikari. Mbeu njithi makoria thirikari iheane anja ya kiria kioragire mbeu njithi aya na kana kihoto kiao ni gigakinyanirio. Dunia Kavime TV kuma kiaro kia Uhuru Park, kaunti ya Nairobi. Retera Koni Bataru wa Mwangi.
Thengio muno Bataru wa Mwangi ni undu wa riboti iyo, na mwiroreri mwende ungirora haha maguru-ini ma TV yaku kana television yaku ni ukuona ndeto cia hina hira kunukana ni ati Mukenya Faith Kipyegon, uyu ni mutengeri wa mahenya ma mita 1500 ni akorwo akifunja rekodi yake iria aigire mwaka muhituku. Faith Kipyegon afunja rekodi ya ihenya ria mita 1500 aritengera na ndagika 3 na sekondi 49 point kifugo inya, na akorwa githondeka rekodi ino na makiria ma 0.07 seconds ya rekodi iria aigite mwaka muhituku. Ni Faith Kipyegon ni akorwa kiandikithia rekodi igi njeru thirungu rwa mwaka umwe kuma hindi ria afunjire rekodi ino mwaka muhituku. Afunja rekodi ino agitengera ihenya-ini ria Paris Diamond League muthenya wa umuthi riria riakorwo rigithira ndagika nini thiru. Uguo ni kuga riu ni afunja rekodi yake rita ria keri, na mwaka muhituku naguo ni afunjire rekodi ingi, na ni gukiuga njoru ino ya Kenya no iragithie na mbere na gwika wega. Uhotani wa Kenya kiheo kiria mundu aheagwo ni kufunja rekodi ni milioni 5, na nitugweterera tukione agituguo nacio. Bururi-ini ni ati kanitha gatoreki na ngwataniro ya makanitha NCCK ni matafanirie magongona ma mahoya kuririkana mbeu njithi aria makuireire mirurungano-ini ya kuregana na watho wa kigina undu umwe na mwathanire muru kuria makiri ma mbeu njithi megwikinyitie. Hindi ya mahoya maya atongoria kidini ni makomithirie ruhonge rwa borithi ni kuhuthira hinya mukiruku kung'ethanira na arurungani matari na matharaita. Riu makiuria thirikari ithingate mateta ma mbeu njithi na kinyi. Oho ni moritie thirikari itigirire andu aria maikirio ngono hindi ya mirurungano na aria angi makinyitwo ni marekererio gutari kigiria o giothe.
Today we are gathered together to remember a group of young people who mobilized and came out against impunity that oftentimes you have seen in our nation here, Kenya. And our prayer is that their death would not be wasted death. Our prayer would that the kind of ripple effect that would come from the impact of their protest would go a long, long way in reducing, if not in completely removing from the scene, every manner of impunity in our country that has been exercised hitherto. And as we mourn the passing of our young people, we would pray that thorough investigation would be done, and that where there is culpability, the individuals would be brought to book.
The Independent Police Oversight Authority, we have not had a single statement from that body. If they are not capable of doing the job, they should be disbanded and an Independent Police Oversight Authority established to investigate each and every death of every person that was killed during this protest accounted for. Number 3, we want all the security chiefs, the police commissioners, the IG of police. We have not heard him speak and we have not seen him. Yet we have come here to mourn over 40 people who have been killed by his officers. We ask him to resign, or in the alternative, we ask the president to discharge him from his duties.
Suffer such and other losses are people just like you and me. They have mothers, they have fathers, they have wives, husbands, children, siblings just like you. We must say no to the insensitivity and selfishness in our society. So the kind that sees a fellow Kenyan being mad in the streets, or picked, or pickpocketed, or defrauded, or other such evil things that go on every day, while others go on with their business as if nothing is happening, lives and shows, it gives an expression of a health society. If we suffer, we do so as one people. If we prosper as one people as well.
Mwirori mwende riboti yo ni ratunegereria mweke wa guthumura ria mbere no ndugathiore mutambo mu ni ndiracokereria ndagika cia gutaririra.
Maya ni mohoro ma Kameme TV.
Wapwani mpo? Kilifi na Kwale tumewasili. Sasa unaweza burudika na StarTimes DTT